moleng, dumelang. Lekker vrijdag, mensen. Lekker vrijdag. Lekker vrijdag. Guys. Hi. Guys. Guys, kita gini semua siapa bona. Kita gini semua. Lekker vrijdag, guys. Guys, we release somewhere the bikers. Say, get somewhere le bagotsi ba rona ba ka ba di biker. No. We release somewhere the bikers. Ronali trip area sang ya di kai 8 kapa 7 ya Durban. No, not Durban, Cape Town. Group ya kai di bikers re ya Durban. So we're gonna be team meeting today, and then rent release somewhere. Guys, I need to go. Because I know some people, they are expecting me. So, guys, but please guys, let me do kiskika it's a show fun. Kiskika yetane. Please, Levan. Kiskika yetane. So Fapan Kikuile has rent really somewhere. Okay, to keep when to rent really kind. Rent really meeting or narrow sorry Tikana. Kipala lo kianamu. Can I be so? If it's a Cubana. 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 The really Cubana. Mancha dialo armudibu ke halno kelele the right peak no ne ke to kala no to pala mabike wena a ke re brackets wena mantša dialong o re brackets yo wa se ka re breakela hle yo ke tšhubana ne re le mono ntse re le mono actually re ntse re le mono even now modimo e tla show re ntse re emetse also in private at least now nna ke tsebe tšhubana yes o ka ba jwang hle a ke tsebe ko ratela nnete fela ka nnete ntse re le tšhubana ntse re na le meeting wa di-biker so re na le trip ya go ya Cape Town ka di a ke tsebe ka dikae a ke tsebe but re tsamaya 5 days so guys nna ne ke ra ketle sho yetsa sho rena re ready yo e le gopo hle a le gopa Pakiso lekete wena o reng a re pastor meno a novi a etsa meno a novi palesa meno a ka etsa palesa guys ke etse show kapa ke kgabane le lona hai ke etse show kapa re kgabane ya no le monate ka nne ama ka mantsa dialoma o hloleile hle o hloleile ke kopa le kuruma bikers joint you will have 5 wives you wese ke kopa le kuruma bikers joint you will have 5 wives phumula hle moruti no ke tlo phumula I need to go back to the did you get mamncane ko Chubana no I got to tell mamncane happen next I wish about mamncane ba Chubana I was not there ulo check up mamncane Chubana and then uthi no week ena ibile ke shebeletse life ya la boraro no notification e tla ba kena ere so le teng okay it's a show papa hle no e le gopo hle it's a show puli wena o re ngwanaka papa no view pass it's a show mna ready no vi re tela nnete meno no vi amsho ka kgwana le runa tlhemana ko re emi show I know vi it's a show man. Ah, guys, jolly get a show. Jay, ege, nta dialoma, honong re o emetse. Luana mtowela mono tloa, we get a biti rumono mtowela mo. No show without at makeup. Rojeta hanyane o boni Chubana o bokwala sister. Yeah! Hey! Ntho ke bone Chubana. Ai! Bana beso. Ai ke go pa phumula e ka screen sa phone ya ka se clean. E ka ba se clean. Ko pa phumula mo. Ai guys, basadi ba tsamaya tshubana ba batle yo e basadi ba tsamaya tshubana ba batle basadi ba tsamaya tshubana hai tsale ke ntse ba ke tsaba o bua ya meeting annat okay o lokola hai ba se ba tsa ba tshubana ai khona guys kore ke bana ba utlwang gore ke monelo wa kereke lo dula go bona ai ne ke utlwa gore ba hona le bana ke ba shebe ke re jo yena monelo wa kereke lo dula go yena straight ke ra khona hey ai I could. Yo. I could. No, I could. Hey. Kintela banna ba lona ba sa khutling. Aba ile plekeng tsa me I could. That is why banna ba lona ba sa khutling. Ai. That is why banna ba lona ba jang tšhelete mana. Ai o ka isha le nna le kutla gore if ne ke tshwere mokotla tšhelete kwa o ja le tshwere mokotla tšhelete monehelo wa kereke ai bana beso ne ke tla araba ka Mantaga gore ka Sontaga ke arabe komiti gore ke entse ka tšhelete ya kereke ai no ne ke tla araba ka Monday lebo ke tla mmona kampo tsa ka lebo ke tla mmona yo ye basadi ba ntse ke ba batla di bo mamncane le bo mamkhulu ba ntse ke ba batla ba tshubana ye ba tshubana ai khona Jesus yo kore ha ba kena ke re osi kore ka reng ka re osi hle ke kopa re kereke gona jwale o lo ba treasure ya kereke kore ke kopa no ha ba kena kore ke utlwe ka reng ka mobitsa ke re osi a gale o ba treasure ya kereke ya Victoria Ai manja ai masalam guys ele a hlapa batho ba dikerekeng mara le hlapile jwela ka batho ba ntshubana ai come o tswe qala lo kena tshubana in my life bo ke qala lo kena since ke dula Bloemfontein ke feta Second Avenue a so kene tshubana but today I call ba ba tlo feta batho ba kerekeng me ba tsama ba se ba tshubana luna mo batho ba tsama dikereke le apara ka roti le ya dinthong e ka re le fuwe diphatlo ko social development lona le apara diphatlo ka roti le apara le fuwe di uniform ya social development ai tshubana ha nthene le manene le kotsi ya bohloko hai khona yo modimo wa ka kore ka reng ka mokopa e ka reng ka re ho yana kore ke utlwe ka di rupi tsa basadi bao di school di rupi fela kore a matha amathanga dirope tsa bona di kun yo kura o sheba serope sa no re modimo oh ai khona oh ai hai man dirope tsa batho ne di skun man amathanga dirope tsa bona di clean and di Steve di qinile di tile dirope tsa bona hai isintse tsa lona tsa kerekeng tsa batho ba kerekeng tse tjena tsa lona di tjena tsa lona di ai kwere ka re ka Aiko. Ai lileboa kwa lileboa ka sekgone man aiko. Ai basadi ba bang ba batle ye ba fa ba pha bahle aiko na bana ba batle aiko go re ho jane ke ntse ntho ya the right big yes ho jane ke ntse ntho ya the right big ka lo yetsa Cubana aiko wo ai ba hlaba ba fa ba salana ba batla le no ke tatetso ya teng buang le nna le batle ke bue ka eng ka speed le batle ke tatetso ya Cubana le batlang buang hle le batlang hleng ke bue le nna ka speed ke tsamaye ke batla ya Cubana nna buang hle le batlang ni funa ntoni le batla ke bue ka eng ka speed yetsang ka speed ba tla tsamaya nna yo ai buang ka speed tle le batlang buang ka speed buang buang ka speed tetani ma buang ka speed na ke tsamaya nna yo na ke tsamaya tle le nne le die le batla ke bue kang ke hamba luna le apara ka re le masisilia luna le apara ka re le bomme bana ba masisilia ai ba khwairena masisilia ai yo I'm taking one in Q1 ai khona guys yo buang he ke bue ka ke batla tsona buang di thete ka ntoni lona le apara ka roti le bomme ba ntho guys ke kopa ke bue he ske la tsamaya ke ke ntse ke dutse le bo Scofield guys yena yo ya tlhaile Scofield Mike ntse ke dutse le bona guys ntse ke dutse le bona okay re batla tseba re ke apere eng check di thotsa di bike tse kitse clap ya ke clap ya ke clap ya ke apere so ke apere so guys ntse so guys a re bueng ka speed ke batla tsamaya la mona Scofield ka ntse comment abo ke ntse ke na le bona hey guys ke ntse ke na le bona ai khona guys ai basadi ba ntho ba Cuban ai kuri I understand why banna ba ja chelete Cuban le nna nka ija ai nka ija mantsa dialoma Scofield o nyetswe so guys are bueng he le batla ke bue kang buang ka speed le batla ke bue kang ka speed ke tsamaya di thethe ngantoni guys ke bue kang hle guys ke gotle ka baka la lona man hai mancha Scofield o na le mosadi ga bana le Scofield o hlolile go tlana intoni novi o phethwe inhloko bositse ba re ke tsere ke hlo hai ya basadi ba Cuban hai lona man le apara ka re le bomme ba Sinjono lona le apara ka re ngo mama ba Sinjono e ka re le kena Sinjono lona le apara ka re bomme ba bo Sinjono ba bo Postola ba bo IPCC ai ndeke bone kwa ntong but today what one ke tlo bua ka today actually today ne tlo qetela taba ya last week ne Marno a part di miniskirt re ke re ke a ke tshi jwalo ne ke one ke ba but today ne ke re ke tlo bua ka today ne ke tlo feleletsa topic ya last week ne ke tlo feleletsa topic ya last week ya hore most of us Dr. Novi birthday to collaboration with her guys Mamela Scofield touring Dr. Novi birthday tour in collaboration with Raf Diamond MC to Cape Town. Guys, Shama! I can the 12th of birthday. Can the 12th of birthday, guys? 3 December. Scofield, can I summon Ritamakadikai? Can I Samakadikai Mhotswak? Can I Samakadikai? Raf Diamond Samakadikai, Ritamakadikai, Simona, Bua live no more. bua Scofield ke ngola what's on today ne ke re tlo feleletsa topic ya last week ne very short mara tla ipetela one day ne but for now ne ke nana tla re tetela ka di 5 re tsama ka di 5 tsa December guys re tsama ka di 5 tsa December 5 tsa December re a tsamaya if nka thola bo mamncane if nka thola mamncane ke tlo tsamaya le basadi ba ka ba le 2 if nka thola bo mamncane kapa mamkhulu ke tlo tsamaya le basadi ba ka ba 2 if nka thola mamncane before the 5 kapa ka thola mamkhulu nna ke tlo tsamaya le basadi ba ka ba 2 bo ke bua nnete ke tlo tsamaya le basadi ba ka ba 2 bona ba tla tsamaya ka koloi and then nna ke tla tsamaya ka bike yes bana ba tla tsamaya ka ba tla driver nna mogotsi wa ka Scofield if nka thola mamncane kapa mamkhulu ke tlo tsamaya le basadi ba ka ba 2 ho ya Durban ka di 5 and then bona ba tla driver koloi and then if ya mamkhulu kapa mamncane ba tla rider o tla rider neng le nna but o mongwe tla yo no mancha dialoma katla no right picture ampe banna ba di bike OS mancha dialoma ai OS ba marki bua nnete bo se fapa Scofield ba tseba ba ntse ba arrange a trip but if nna ke thola mamkhulu kapa mamncane ke tlo tsamaya le basadi ba ka ba 2 se fapang bo ke bua nnete nna ke tlo tsamaya le basadi ba ka ba 2 we are Cape Town ba tla tsamaya ka koloi nna tla tsamaya ka bike if ba batla tsamaya ka emu ba tla tsamaya ka bike tla tsamaya ka bike a tsamaya le nna emu a tsamaya ka koloi utlo there will be a backup car for those want to live with us Scofield wena o mametse o hlantsha ke mantja Scofield yona o nyetse mar I know there will be a backup car ke a tseba ona le a backup car I know that one na ke nnete re ona le backup car ke a tseba but nna ba ka ba babedi ba tlo ba a ke tlo ba kinya a backup car ke na le koloi mo next so guys are we here Palace we are kind update us on this I'm coming that group we are kind Palace we are kind so guys are we very short banna Scofield ke tsamaya le wena yo ke le bogile o le mene mohahwe yo ha o le mene sana Revangelo wena nto rei egi lentina hampe hle wena mantsa le rei le amen le j egi le bata lentina hampe hle yo Scofield guys re tla celebrate a birthday ya ka di 12 tla really Cape Town guys la ndiste pa man ke batlo bua ka speed man mantsar modimo Jehova ke in Jehova a ke rate banna mare ba di bike ke weakness ya ka mantsa dialoma a kro hloleile ke eno monna wa bike ke eno monna wa bike na ntsi ndote bike o hloleile mon mantse di aloma guys today ne ke re ke tlo bua today wa tla Scofield tu sa le sharp ke le bogile Scofield tu sa le sharp o sa le sharp mata ka o sa le sharp Scofield tu sa le sharp o sa le sharp so guys ha re bueng ka speed ke batla go tsamaya man le ntshwarela guys ha re bueng fast ne ke re ke tlo bua ka ne ke tlo feleletsa topic ya last week nale amphazamisa papa hayi nale amphazamisa guys nale amphazamisa hle so guys ne ke re ke tlo feleletsa topic ya last week ne mona ke ba ka taba ya hore botsisi we ne anphazamisa guys ne ke tlo bua ka topic ya hore why sex ya di-side chick le ya dinyatsi e le monate ho feta sex ya ka tlung ne ke tlo bua continue today ne Scofield tu sa le right Scofield tu sa le right lena ke a tsamaya no viska senyeletsa Scofield pare ke se ka senyeletsa Scofield hayi Scofield tu sa le right alright Scofield tu covered guys ke batla kwala show papa hamna toujours guys ke batla kwala show hle bana ke batla tsamaya nna ke tla etsa show next week ne ke re ke tlo bua ka today ne ke re ke tlo bua ka I know lot of people ba ka ramanyalo ba bang ba ka ra di relationship ne lot of people ba ka ra manyalo abanye abantu basemitshatweni ba bang ba ka ra di relationship ne and then ba ka ra di relationship ne ba bang o thola it's ndo ke relationship ya bosho ne ke ya Cubana o tla go tla le mo content ai ntho ya Cubana na ikotsi ya bohloko sefapa yo hi guys ntho ya Cubana ya mphazamisa bohloko guys le nna le ya mphazamisa but ntho ne ke re ke tlo bua ka yona ke gore yeah stable ona le batho ka ra you are not married but you are in a stable relationship now a stable relationship and marriage is almost the same. Stable relationship and marriage, it's almost the same. Stable relationship, it's when sometimes udula le moto, ne? Otolo udula le moto, it's a stable relationship. Kapa mhlomong anihlali kunye haliduli sam, but it's a stable relationship, ne? Most of the stable relationship and marriages, ne? Most of the stable relationship le manyalo. Learn this step guys kopa focus ke kopa concentrate most ya manyalo most ya the relationship sex tsa rona dia downgrade haholo most ya batho ba ka ra manyalo most ya batho ba ka ra relationship ba ka ra di stable relationship like sex tsa bona dia downgrade ha bohloko di downgrade ha bohloko we had we had to have an agreement, Lebo. Sheba. That is why some of you are little why Lebo, listen for the Limona every time. We had to sit down, the Lebo to left, and we had an agreement to Lebo. Don't move in now. Gaspit, Kaukopa. Kibeki just Lebo, Kaukopa, Skaba move in now. Because we move in how now, Otla Umutana did the responsibility and Mutia focused to the ministry, not focusing ministry, Kena didn't that. And recently, I had so many challenges in the ministry. Lebo came at the wrong time, whereby I had so much responsibility, challenges. When Lebo fixed up Pilombak, officially the challenges. So when I fixed up Pilombak, Afmana, the challenges then didn't overwhelm, and I was overwhelmed ki the challenges and then became a baby. No, I think it is not the right thing. It is not the right idea or umuvele uto because I can see or now you are spending a lot of time learning I don't have any problem about that. But the biggest problem now, this thing, if we are born, nalwena re downgrade down. Because I'm too focused to this challenge thing in the ministry. Focus on the affect. Number 2, I keep back to move in regular stage sa relationship nalwena. Let us enjoy our relationship. Let us create more memories nalwena than to raise a relationship yaka lwena ebe a marriage wabon. We have to sit down we can no be because one thing for sure, once relationship ya runa re fit is it's a marriage, automatically it will affect so many things. Number 1, it will affect our sex part, because now just admit no tabo no na kiswani lulu na guys. You need to remember kimwana mudimun na ki police that even if yes the legal freedom kapajwa, but I'm a child of God. And 2, I keep back yes and in I get 1 because if labor move I move in I trust like in labor. I know labor if I can move in I could do la linda I trust like in because self Nike came just like about there is no one who can go to the busher abalo rekanama but ilitenga tu hauna mota ya mbushare alo rekanama ilitenga tu. That is why batho bangata ba sa nyalweng. When you can move in le motho wa dula lena motho na go nyala, mark my words, it will take a great undertaking to more linyala. So I don't understand why Orinovi unale ostinwa just at novi unale tinwa just admit. I get it, but the reality of the truth, Nike at about once ukadula le moto, wadula le moto, ausa sola unyala, aunjaku pindu mchate lumu. Once ukadula le moto, like stay together, ausa sola unyala. So now I don't agree in terms of I can back stay together because if you guys are stay together, number 1 kitunyala. Number 2, stay together. Ukaseri lukopana le moto a month, beseli muvali dula together. Then or that relationship is going to be a nice relationship. Never. Because now, if we do not together, it means high salary relationship is a marriage now. And when we move in, it's no more a relationship, high salary relationship. It's going to be a marriage killing you. So, and now, when we do not together, automatically, little kalala jolo, focus on the responsibility, little kalala focus the I spoke to Lebu, Lebu. Now, I keep refocus the responsibility. Number 2, I keep for now. Ufihle now ukopanelina. Both of us renali responsibility. Let us enjoy and create memories. Let us enjoy our relationship and to create memories so that sometimes when Lena Lidi changes, you know, a relationship and a Lidi memories, guys, it's difficult to refill. I tell you, Lula, that is what I'm all about separate. Marabahone o lebalana. Kukwabanta bangakwazi ukulibalana. Wena labatho ba sa gone o lebalana ka baka la di memories le ka baka la dintho tseo ba di entseng together. So I was avoiding about ke tlo dula le Lebu within in a short period of time. I so tsebane but se re dula some. I will never do that. Even if I can have Mam Nani of Mam Cool, I will never allow Mam Nani kapa Mam Cool or a move in the Rutodula Sam. I want us to enjoy and build our relationship so that Harukopana re-enjoy. I must deal with the responsibilities. We must enjoy our relationship. There is nothing wrong with bound to the responsibility. There is nothing wrong for me to help them the responsibility. But what I don't like, focus on the responsibility. No, I will never allow that. Number 2, I cannot now until Kieta the right thing. Sure. Now but now I will never do that because I know if Nganyala, I know. I mean, if Mutaka Kodula Lena, Ngaskole Kinyala. No, we agreed, Nali Lebutabo. We agreed. We had to reach that agreement. We had to reach that agreement. Lebu, start of Kodula. Come anytime. You have your own key. Come anytime, but extra to Jumela, Len also move in. No, Kari, no, I'm not going to allow that. And number 2, allow me to Kitole Mamnan, I took Mamnan Kapa Mam Cool. Then Hakiseki Mutos, then Kitoya Halona officially. Ndizoya Kilo introducer officially. Then Lemam Cool Kapa Mamnan. Haji mutos kitalwe ndizo veza kilo ikaisa officially but ntwenga skenka yetsa ke hore ke nke motho ke tlo phela le ena mona ha qetile ke a tseba ra ke monyana ke a ikopa yeno yona ke a tseba. That is why when you can move in le motho, you must know that you are going to prolong taba ya lenyalo izo bandi itlo nka nako etelele taba lenyalo because there is no one who can go to the butchery and then alo reka nama but ena lo yona ka tlung. Umuntu othenga inyama ena yendlini ndiyamfuna. Muthi aye butchery alo reka nama ana lo yona ka tlung ke matla. There is no way ngaba forced to go and pay lobola uLebu but ke phela le Lebu ka mona. There is no way. There is nothing you can pay under pressure. Number 2, when repealer together, once repealer together, resoka rejola. It means now no puli, no it won't. It won't. Lino Lebu temu. Lino Lebu temu na but it's just that by le Peterberg. Ba Peterberg li timia ka ba tsamaya ba ile Peterberg. Now, but guys, in short, in short, na kasi yetsin ya re ke nkele buki to dula le na ka tlomona ke soka ke monyana be ke dula ke tsa stay together. I will never do that. I will never. If nga tsa stay together le le ba ke sa hlola ke nyala le a ke sa hlola ke nyala le guys, but ba etsa stay together ba nyalana. It takes grace and that modimo re ba nyalana. Honka mo ha wanta modimo re batho ba etsa stay together ba bantu es into Banyalana. It takes grace and the I will never do that. Because right number 2. Guys, you must also remember now I'm a pastor. I'm a man of God. I don't agree to be about do this and they know. In my church, people they know good and they good about Basalism. If unkamut udula marry that person, chatani. It's how I believe in. It's how I believe. I get 2 years and Tori. Kinkele buki to mudula. I ketine kimoje every day. Kimukalame every day. But kisamulobul. I will never do that. I will never. Lekambala bwani ntoteni batla. I will never that. Ngasi ngenle bwa ketile kitomo beka tu ketile beki mufa di duty sabun sadi. Haketile beki mukalama mwana about every day. Haketile beki samunyali. I will never do that. We need to do things in a proper way. A right. Limam kulu kapa mamnan ekito mutola. We are going to do the same thing. If kitola mam kulu kapa mamnan, I'm not going to allow that person to move in. I'm not going to do that. But we will spend time together. We will do things together. But until move in, I will never do it. And thank. Allow yourself to have fun on the date stage. Also, I think it's wise to step by step. Thank you, really. Thank you. And that's how I believe. It's how I believe. It's how I believe. It's how I believe. It's how I believe. Because I know, I know one is, I know, or there are people today. And some of them, I used to say, guys, lot of people, banton, most about to, baetanton, ibiton to. Halukatan yalana belita ma elianto. Ibiton, halukatan yalana, ibiton stage sense of peton yalan. Sibiton guys into centre. Stage sound, halukatan yalan, ibiton guys into say. Ibiton stages halukatan yalana, sibiton stage so. Sibiton say. Okay, honeymoon Ivo dear, lot of people back at honeymoon, back alaka honeymoon, bababato ketelaka linyalo. Most of people, thank you guys. Lot of people, most about to back alaka honeymoon stage, babato ketelaka linyalo. Lot of people. That is why Uber number 2, habakata nyalama, chiki. Oh, told about Joti 10 years. And then habakata nyalama 2 years by divorce. Baratani 10 years. Baratani 5 years. Then how Katil Batanyalana 2 years and then after 2 years by divorce. Because a lot of people bakalaka honeymoon and then about Katil Batokatelaka linyal. And that is why today my nyalo aruna asalastim because what's my reason? Rekalaka honeymoon stage and then meritokatelaka marriage. And that is why now utolor honeymoon is gone. Halinyalana, halisa enjoy anything in linyalo lalong. Halisa enjoy nix. Because le etile honeymoon, le kadile kayona, le jani la etsa dintote ngata. Honeymoon stage is gone. Hali etile luna, hali ngani chata nayo. There is nothing interesting. Utolor le jotin 5 years, then 2 years. There is nothing interesting. Divorce about because there is nothing interesting. So now I will never do that. So now kebata alaka din tokatela a right. Le haki wabana lino. I'm still waiting for Tola Mamnan. Even that Tola Mamnan kapabam cool. I'm going to do the same thing. Kitoko panadena redate rejolly. If mam cool anali pleke high. How to move in, how to kwela musebetsu wa high. Utaba ansaka, le naki tabikia huyena, and then tabi data, re-enjoy, hari etili. Haki kana kwe right, retabi jolly, kia di family in tabo. But for introducing myself, yona nka deka yetsa anytime. I will go introduce myself, ba tsebore ba ngwana bona o utlwana le nna, and then ba ntsebore ke na ba tsebe di intention tsa bona ka ngwana bona. That one I cannot problem yona, I'm willing we yetsa, I cannot bothata. But ke batla go tlela tabeng ena ya ntho. I want to go back tabeng ya hore most ya batho ba ka ramanyalo, most ya batho ba ka ramanyalo, le most ya batho ba di ento re bitse relationships ba bitsa that relationship stable relationship. Most ya batho ba na le a relationship le ba ka ramanyalo le batho ba ka ra di stable relationship. Most ya batho ba sex ya bona iba poor. Sex ya batho ba ka ra stable relationship le sex ya batho ba ka ramanyalo iba poor every day. Why? Number one, I said last week, Gary, it is not right to every time le deal le di issue, le deal le di problem et cetera. Guys, ki kopa lo jotsa neti because ke tlo tsamaya. I'm not going to take time. Kwai ina le ditsebe. Ki rutile ntwe that ipipine ndlebe. Kwai ina le ditsebe. Kwai ina le ditsebe bona. Kwai ina le ditsebe. Ntotse dina le ditsebe tse. Kwai dina le ditsebe ka tsele makatsana. Hence kitse, you know, reaction ya runa banna, reaction ya banna. Ia difara ka sehloho. Reaction ya runa, reaction ya banna ia difara. I know le lona into le bitana ya lona kana ibitswang bohoni ba lona a ke tsebe ke bohoni kapa ke but ba difara. There are time more obang honi too much, then hona le nako obang honi nje but hona le nako obang honi too much. Now when una le a side chick kapa na le side nika, bohoni ba the side nika le side chick a di tshwane le bohoni ba ka tlo as fine. It is not always whereby le reaction ya runa banna reaction ya runa ya difara banna ba lona amatota wena le di boyfriend tsa lona kwa itsa bona di ema safe bana nta wena zima di kwa itsa banna ba lona le di boyfriend tsa lona ha ba fihla dinyatsing di kwa itseno di ema ka tsele makatsana zima tsi di tia reaction ya difara all together. 2, performance ya ka tlung le performance ya ka ntle ya difara all together. Gale ke le sefebe ke le turubetse ya gale nna ya febe lenki of the horse nna. I'm saying this from experience and coach I give ilisham reaction kwa yak kantle le kwa tlung di ne di fapana. In my first marriage lenyalo la ka la pele ne ke jola gut nto penis yak ka tlung le kantle ne di fapana. That is number one, and I'm going to tell you why. Number one, it is not right ukuthi nina abantu abasemitshatweni le ka ra batho ba di stable le lona batho ba ka ra di stable relationship. It is not right to deal with the problem every day. It is not right to deal with the issues every day. It is not right to deal with the koloto amatyala every. It is not right, guys. Bona, it is not right to deal with the issues and challenges every time. It is not right. It is not healthy. And most about batho ba ka ramanyalo le batho ba ka ra di stable relationship, that is our problem. Ya focus the problem ya dilana le the issues ya yetsa in that it is not right, guys. It is not healthy for the penis tsa lona, for the kuku tsa lona. It is not right, guys. Hey. Yo, I ain't listening. Guys, kwa ina liditsebe. Ipipi, kwa ina liditsebe. Ina liditsebe. Kwa ina liditsebe. Ia utlwa mo le buang ka sex. Ia utlwa mo le buang ka di issues ipipi. Kwa ia utlwa mo le buang ka sex. Ia utlwa mo le buang ka di issues. Number 2, di kuku tsa lona guys. Dia utlwa mo ho buang ka di issues le mo ho buang ka di ka sex. Dia utlwa kuku tsa lona dia utlwa zinendlebe. Di kuku tsa lona di na le ditsebe guys. That is why graveyard muruto. I mean, what again? Graveyard is a tshwaneng. And this thing, kiana tsa ngore eqebeleng. O bona batho ba enjoy the sex tsa kantle. O bona batho ba enjoy cheating because people they don't know it. It is not healthy to deal with the issues. It is not healthy to deal with the problem. It is not right because we are affecting our sex. EPP zethu ziba affected, di kwaita rona di ba affected. Number 2, di kuku tsa lona di ba dry ka tsela. It is not right, it is not healthy. That is why sometimes it's very important to ezinye izinto iphapanyetseng tsona. And ya uqetela ya bobedi ntho batho ba rata go yetsa. Nansi into enithanda ukuyenza. Kiyana nje it's all in the mind. You are right when I talk, but you don't understand my point. Mind, it's a myself look why. Sex, it's a myself erection, it's a myself kelelo. When your mind is right, there is no way you can erection you can right to another. I get you are busy attacking me. I don't know. It's all in the mind. I fully agree. But what I'm trying to say, good into dia utwa sen. Di kwai dia say dia utwa, di kuku dia utwa. It's just that you are not unyasa the way he explained nakate. Maybe we're not a little tatakanga. I don't know. Maybe we're not you have a problem kanna. But what I'm trying to say, good, here's the thing. Most more than about the issue thing. More but baratong dilana issues. Baratong solve the problem. Baratong dilana lili challenges every time. You know, Rieta, your color jegeni pressure. When le rata prioritize the issues, le rata dilana lili issue. What's my data? Le bua ka tsona before le tlo jana. Guys, more than the issues. More than the issues. More than the problem. More than buanka the issues leading in. Can't get it. But Baljalo, most of them, Barata Buakatona, live before Baklojan. Live before Baklojan. Guys, ni tetangas on live before the Klojan. Before Nikian, se ni tetangas. Linteli dudes, se ni tetangas. Senteli Buakats on yo, Fandach. Yo, Kolo Totak. Yo, in like. Yo, last time on Quatisite, Hotlebusiu, yo, tum. Ni teta yen like before Nikian. Guys, bon. Mushan Likela understand them. If legal understand, that is why cheating is going to grow. It's going to grow. Cheating it will grow. Cheating it will grow. Abushuk. Cheating it will grow, guys. Cheating it will grow. And one of the cheating thing it will grow is cheating is sex. And the reason why sex yabu febing eliminate it is because monu mjolong bufebing Ali dealing the issues, Ali thing. Sometimes even the buaka sex before the couple, baby fan that Khalid to Kota, baby Khalid fan that Khalid to Jua in Buffebing, Ribua John, Sitatan, your baby fan that Khalid to Jua, baby Khalid to honey, baby go uta dintho tsa bofebe yo baby ke hone ke khaletse o jua hle baby yo bana le malebe bana le di-glitos bja ka banana ba bang ba tla o jetsa jo nawa ya ka e eme e mong tla o jetsa jo baby hle yo ha ka bona malebe ya ka a eme jo baby ke hone kore le bua ntho tse ha le kopana le qeta bua dintho tse jwalo yes that sex is going to be the best sex. That sex is it's about the best sex forever. It's about the best sex forever. Guys, it's about the best sex because already prepared lady kelelo salon ni theteng gayo baby khaletso jua and utlo motho jetsa baby khaletso jua baby I'm so horny kur utlo le kwai when I'm saying the kwai dina le tsebe ke nnete utlo le kwai pha matata unto driver motho jetsa baby say I'm so horny motho ka khaletso jua utlo kwai ya ho itsikinye ka rabruga isukumi pipi kwai itsikinye he utlo kwai e bua hore utlo kwai e re ditaba tsena di antlama ipipi 30 ezindaba zinam ngaphakathi kwai tsena utlo kwai e bua re taba tsena di antlama kore and wena o ntse ikokela le motho yo baby I miss you yo baby ka re motho o jetsa yo baby khale so jua hle yo baby ke I'm so horny utlo kwai o bua le motho a kwai ibere le nna taba tsena di antlama zia bo pezinto ni ngokwala ngaso utlwe kwai bua ire taba tsena tse le buang ka tsona le nna di antlama because kwai mametsi le bua kang e mametsi le kuku ya ha utlwe kuku ya lona utlwe kuku ya ibe wet ube metsi ube wet kana gotseng uba metsi you are so horny kuku ya hao inse gravy heses inse muro ngwana go ga iphumo mhluzi itswe muro heses kuku itswe muro sounds like hey yamuro hey kuku yamuro hey kuku yamuro man hey yar kuku yamuro hey kuku yamkhuzi man kuku yamkhuzi kuku yana le muro man yona man hey muro mkhuzi gravy man gravy hi I know gravy man na ke tsolo re kuba le ke le mqhotsa na ndi azi basama I don't know whether kuba ni ke mqhotsa Jesus sure yeah ukila ukoka le motho ukila ukoka le motho kuku ya hao ibe uqaka yes iba out of order kurutlo kuku ya hao ile out of order kuku ya hao ile out of order kurutlo e sa kgone control o sa kgone control and mix e sa control kwa ya hao I mean kuku ya utlo kwa ya kuku ya hao sa kgone control yo ubon ba ikwazi hayi kuri hayi control e uqake uke futa lola alekibidi lola kuku ifuthe yes ifuthe ngwanaka bana le dinama tsena dibe rua di rua zidumbe di rua fela di rua Jesus man. Kuku is okay behave. Ishule behave. Lona kuruka kuku is hana behave. Kurukare what's more kuku ena ka ke tseba hle. It's about behave. E uhlule nje. It's omoro nje. Shaka Zulu. Hi, Shaka Zulu. Hi, Shaka Zulu. Luna Marlona, yes, I see you. Justice. Sorry. Hi, man. Guys, if I leave my mail, cheating, it will never end. We know cheating will never end, but don't allow a cheating to come to your marriage in jail. Uka try we minimize. And the only way you minimize cheating, one, are dilana lady issues. You cannot dilana guys. Dilana lady issues sometimes. So 4% because guys, when I I had this lady keep down. This lady keep down. Now this lady Nersa Julisam. When Kinekia with this lady, I was making flyer all every time I can hear Neki flyer, Nekiaka flighty, keep down, I get no more. There was a time I was not willing to go anywhere. It was on Friday. Kidutikakun, Dikela Pently. Kidutikakun, I don't, yeah, Nekidula. No, not more. Nekidula somewhere very off. So I had this Mercedes Benz here S class. I was driving S class here Mercedes Benz. Guys, in Elebo 12, Simokola na this late, Rukopa. Antanjus, Abaki Abar baby, Tukopakena Kanton Kabati, Abakena Kabati, Akena Kabati. And baby, can I take a bus? Kirno Yinke baby, Rukoka phone, and the Rukop, Okabati. So Hansa Buaka phone, Onta shooter, a kukuya highly in. I was so tired. I was very, very tired. Can I feel out? I came back to here anyway, many of them. In about past 12, I think so. Nekingi koloi. ne ke fina nsonso ko liaka ai ne ke fina ke phuswa ke kwai ya ka ere a ke tlo roba kwai ya ka ere andizula ho bua kwai e futha kwai ya ka enjoytsa re a ke tlo khona robala ke hone too much ne ke nke koloi ka past 12 I drove to Cape Town 240 tseleng 260 240 260 240 mpotseng ke yena eng dibuzeng mpotseng ke yena eng kuku sex ke yela sex ifutha kwa yaka indixakile kwa yaka indixakile ifutha le kuku ya ngwanene wa batho inte ke shebile antsa a ibapadisa ka metsi aleka rabata I drove 240 260 240 260 mbotse ke yela eng kuku because the way ne re bua ka teng I felt hore ke batla ho have sex ke batla ho ja kuku no ke na le friend ya ka se lebelele ke mama friend ya ka no mplela movie a re monna ne ke na le cherry e ka rona le cherry ke Durban a re wait the way ne re hopolana le ngwano ona mplela friend ya ka re mogotsi ne ke tloa mo that lady a driver from Durban le nna ke driver from Bloemfontein re lo kopana tseleng re fihle re jane ka rakoloi re roba le re jana ka rakoloi and then I quickly drive back to Durban nna ke drive back to Bloemfontein ke batla le bontsha hore sex is powerful but the problem rona batho ba ka ramanyalo le lona batho ba ka ra di committed relationship le bolaya boleng ba sex ne ya ibulala bazalwana le bolaya ses yo ha ke tsona le ntho bring them on camera a go re ke le ke ntho ai ke accept a go re ke le ke okay but ba ka ra di stable relationship le batho ba nyetsweng yo friend ya ka na mplela Arnovi girlfriend ya ka ona driver from Durban le yena a batlo from ntong are ne ke tlo from friend ya ka na girlfriend ya ka na tlo Durban yena a tlo Bloemfontein ba lo kopana tseleng ba lo jana ba lo kopana tseleng ba lo jana now runa but ba ka ra di stable relationship le batho ba ka ramanya batho ba ka ra stable relationship le batho ba ka ramanya re bolaya di sex tsa runa ka di issues re na le di issues re dilana le di issues ha re qetile re na le di re dilana le di responsibility re focus di responsibility ha re qetile re accusana re dula re accusana why you fihle bosiu motho ka why you fihle bosiu ndondondom why you fike in class why you some phonela why you some phone you said you will call you didn't call you said you will come you didn't come you did hey yes yeah le bolaya value ya sex ka di issues ka di truth commission of Zondo commission every time le abotsana le alwana le atsekisana lona bana le di stable relationship le santse le tlo jellwa le tlo jellwa ba di stable relationship le ba ka ramanyalo because every time le kopana why you so phonela you said you will call me you didn't call me I was expecting your call you didn't call me lintina le santse le tlo jellwa and haba le jelle because luna the issues ki priority di koloto ki priority dilama le di issues lona le dilana le priority ha ba le jelle Uta mutare Novi, I know that I drove from Plumalanga to Limpopo. Kaitiba. Hammond, I'm telling you that Kaitiba. 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 You, that, I drove from Bloemfontein to Cape Town. I drove Ikarikita from Bloemfontein to Tabans. I drove that car, naked driver that car, Ikarikita, because people, they don't know Ray Harmony. Or where there is issues, sex are very poor. Where there is issues, you said you will call me, you didn't call me, and then yo. Then sometimes you come, you are so expecting, we expecting another mutulijan. You are so ready to religion. How mutsara mutabau jetor, I so happy, scan saraku, so happy. Yes, yeah. Yes, mutabau jetor, I scan saraku, I'm so happy. And what's about Gugu Dianka? You said of footek. Yes, yeah. I'm not comfortable. What's not so happy? I get comfortable room. Yo. Reatsiba kuku dianka. Dia readitsiba asisanu sukumbuza. Skela ruhuputsa. Yo, uto mutao putsa skan chara so di kuku di kuku yaka akso happy ku. Skela ruhuputsa. Yes. Yo. Utlwa motao hopotsa re ska ba ntshwara kuku ya ka hle a tso hlape tso kuku motao hopotsa akukhumbuzi ukuthi ungambambi kuku. Yes. Yeah. Wabana, the problem number 1 ke dilana le di issues le di ingi ya bobedi ke ntwe na o re jwetsa ka dikuku tsa o fumana mte xele ukuthi ungambambi hle ska ba ntshwara ka kuku. If you know or your partner utlotla wena, if you know I'm expecting my partner, hlapa kuku. It's got haki fihla bilo hona tlo njwetsa hore yo nna so hlapihle nka se jane le wena before ke hlapa because wa tseba hore ku ake I'm not comfortable kuku wa di tseba dikuku tsa rona di man skala re hopotsa ai lona le re hopotsa man yo le re hopotsa man ai ne sikhumbuza yo ai le re hopotsa hle ai le re khumbuza You can call me after my show now. Yo le report. Utlo motho o potsa ska ntshwara hle. Yo ska ba ntshwara hle yo kuku ya kae monate. Yo. Skela re hopotsa. Sane sikhumbuza. Skela re hopotsa. Nka bo hlapa before ke fihla wena because the side chick if ke twetsa side chick ya ka baby I'm coming. Side chick ya tseba re ke tlo eja. Automatically side chick ya ka tlo hlapa. Side chick dia hlapa because what about okay mutwaka re tlo jana wa hlapa lona the legend 50 di Mbokoto le dutse a le hlapi motho a wa o tshwara kona ntse mo jwetsa re kona mo jwetsa gore ha se ka ntshwara nna so hlapi ha ungandibambi hle mna ungandibambi hle yo anikahlambi. Yes. Ona le ntse ke batla go le jwetsa ona ke le betse le jwetsa moya wa modimo ile nkgalmela ka ntwe actually not moya wa modimo ile nkgalmela but guilty conscience ya ka ile khotla. You know last time ne re bua le Lebu ka number 2 chocolate box ne re bua ka chocolate box. The problem ke kopa ke shifte ke move from my topic ke bua fela ka lona ka ntho ka chocolate box. Le chocolate box when o ka foster it tlo ba monate but chocolate box in a disadvantage ke kopa bua ka yona guys siskela ya rata chocolate box in a disadvantage di bono tsa motho e mong le e mong ke kopa bua ka yona ke tla khotlela topicing ya ka. We'll come back to my topic please guys. I will come back to my topic. But you go back to any back on last time label. The chocolate box. Chocolate box, guys, in a little disadvantage. But most about by killing by joy, by killing by test, by it chocolate box. They normally prefer your not than a normal sex. But barata chocolate box. Impundu. Impundu. Bono. Bono. Chocolate box. But that is why banna bante balisia. Bajela somis. Banna bata my bajela somis. So now I cannot TikTok. Nowadays I cannot TikTok. Kidi couple tsa banna fela. Amatota ba yezimpundu yini sana bayadi bono straight. Luna. Le sentse di kukusa lona. Ke tla gutla topic yaka. Ke kopa ke tswe hanyane fela diphume. Lona le sentse di kukusa lona. Le didile la didia maraku siwile po. Maraku indonga zase Jericho ziwile. Maraku a Jericho wile. So banna bantse ba batlana le maraku. Bafunana nendonga zase Jericho. Jana banna ba tlweletse dikuku because dikuku tsa I'm sure the way banna ba jola le banna baba hey that so but chocolate box Luna amadoda basani Allah Luna bo I know my worth. What I do le kuku yelo ya le di le worth ya how. But I know my worth. I will never settle for less. Le tadula le di le worth ya ino how. Marbanna apasa le ba. Banna amado da sari fuli. Banna wasa le ba. Hey, life. I banna wasa le ba. Ama banna wasa le ba bara mago. Banna ba shapo kalu. Banna ba shapo kalu. Evo pilo. Ai pilo butata. Ai pilo butata. Ayo, a glass yaga empty. Ke kopa lo refill. Kopa lo tela prescription. Ai. Ba ne ke re fela ke re jwetsa banna ba sale. Banna ba sale ba tla di kuku. Hey, I can't. I ke mana hore ke mana hore le ka computer le banna ne le getsa betiri mo ne le senza better rapa le senza better le bona ka re ha ona motho ka le replace banna ba le replace ka le bono ba le replace ka le bono ni za o hlala lo mathanga wena le tla dula le ropitse le tsa lona bana ba le replace ka le bono Boy, I know my worth. I little real worth here in your house. I will never settle for less. Little real will settle for less. Banna, Bantama, you know. I'm sure Kirumeleti about to be couple, 5 or 6. Take it on TikTok. 5 or 6 couples, Tabanna. 5 or 6. Tabanna. Luna, Kiaka. Ninga hand. Skeleton. 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 Boy, I know my way. So I was around. I saw 7th. Sakile, aku forge, aku khatal, because Luana, you are also interested to this pastor who's worshiping Satan and money. You are also interested to him. Hamorso to Yamuloi Stembis. Ungumtaga to a Koiha, because if you are not interested, go in Geko Gule show yam. Ngabolisiko. Go in Geko, Koiha Dindum Taka, to Ambokale Lunyok, Long Teta, someone with some mouth. Or in Twibuang, Capantata, so much as I want. No, I'm a child of God, Sakile, Kwekhandin. Nitanda Gagudi, upon the Shumaili Evangelin Gatiko and Niz, I lately Nizo comment. But upon the Tetange 16 years, I'm a Kwekhandin, Mtagatin to you. I'm not. My brother, don't be deceived. Every devil worshipper knows God. And you Katale, if you are a child of God, why are you interested to the devil worshippers? If you are so much if you are a child of God, why are you so much interested to my page? Because I'm a devil worshipper. I'm a Satanist. Now, why are you following me? Because as we speak, you can go to other pages. As abafundisa abangcwele. Ufuna ntoni kum? Ufuna ntoni? Why are you so much interested? And even though you are just wasting your time to comment again to the devil worshipper. You are also a devil worshipper, because if you are not a devil worshipper, you are not supposed even to comment. Ubufanele scroll and you create. Unotwantu fit nje. You are supposed just to pass away without to say anything. Because we are the born until you can say, good, I'm a devil worshipper. So why are you so much interested to me? Unless you are also a devil worshipper. Hari mutlweleng. Hari mutlweleng bana beso, hari tlweleng Sakhile, devil worshipper Sakhile Sthembiso. Ne kere ge bana ba go gae ntho ne ke bua ka yona ne kere ke bua ka hore ne kere ke bua ka advantage ya chocolate box ke hore chocolate box modimo o etseditse hore di muzzle tsa teng di muzzle tsa chocolate, di muzzle tsa di bono di stiff impundu di stiff zivalile. That is why it is not easy to put even your finger kumpundu zakho di bono tsago. It is not easy, not unless mohlomong o hlapile kapa ona le sepa wa bona. So not unless why modimo di etseditse ukuthi zivale ke hore akre mankaka a rona ikaka ihlala ku idula mohodu and yes ihlala ku kana intoni mohodu ke nka Xhosa idula mohodu ne ikaka but the time o tshwarweng ke mantle iyatswa when mohodu qeta o digesta yonke into digest system intsha mankaka iwatheola iwatlisa kantle. That's when ho tla bo fihla nako hore o feel hore ke tshwere ke mankaka now I want to go ke lo kaka ne now atswile ka montsho mang a theoile a ile class now a batla ho tswa. That's when hona le ntho tla o jwetsa hore tsamaya lo kaka ne. Now the reason why ntate modimo a yentse hore di bono di kwale zivale di kwaletse mankaka 2 di kwaletse smell ne di kwaletse smell wa bona. That is why that muzzle ya di bono il stiff wa bona because di bono ha di etso ho evua sex ha di etso ho jua on serious di bono ha di etso ho jua all together ne. It's just that batho ba batho re etsa dintho tse ka thoko re iketsa everything not batho ba batho nje batho rona abantu abamnyama sizenzela izinto nje but di bono di etso ho jua on serious note. That is why kuku le di bono di muzzle tsa di bono di fapane le di muzzle tsa kuku di fapane all together. Now di muzzle tsa kuku tsa di bono di etseditse so now the problem ya di bono the chocolate box if we have a chocolate box we have a sex o tlo foster di bono o tlo foster penis ya o tla itshasa ka vaseline o tla itshasa ka ntho libitsa what is that ke libetsking o tlo itshasa o penetrate o foster then hana kwenza tsamaya ha o sa hlola utla bohloko ngo kuphinda uve ka bohloko o tlo enjoy. That is why most ya batho ba advance sex for chocolate box ba end up ba enjoy how whole ne. But the disadvantage ya ntho yeng kore the day maziliane e kgathalang ya di bono that's when o tlo qala o tlo ba le problem. One o tlo ba le problem ya hore anytime mankaka tlotswa anytime sometimes ha wa phinya fela una le ntho tlotswa it depend because when mankaka a tswile ka ra mohodu a thewetse class automatically my first ex-wife una sebetsa le di gay bana ba mo jwetsa hore no ba most of them ba kenya di pets because once muzzle ya di bono di muzzle tsa dikuku I mean tsa dikuku ya di bono eka ya ba loose I want go gae once o tshwara ke mankaka kapa o phinya nje it depend on mankaka thewetse class if o phinya a tlotso if o anytime because that muzzle ekwalang mankaka ishwile. Every person, you know, if you can kinya munana wa ka moradi to ntsa ha o tlo kena munana ha o zungena because that time modimo yentse purposely or that muzzle equal and ha equal mankaka only but it also equal le smell or ho ska ba le smell se tswang. That is why most about by indicate most ya bona bana le ewe you need to clean your malaha wa ke tsebile wa bitsa most of the time but something about 70 mala kapa ba peite kapa ba etsa but every time ba tshwanela or ba clean because if they don't do that anything smell how when urwetsa in nje it's also easy because your muzzle issue and batho bangata ba rata sex ba rata anal sex but the disadvantage of anal sex is when your muzzle is really is actually equal as stiff you are in a problem a problem because that muzzle is a hole baba utobali smell ditonong tsa baba utobali smell when mankaka thewa fela automatically utobali smell. So chocolate box in a little disadvantage it's very disadvantages. So and the only problem with chocolate box if you can enjoy and enjoy it's going to be difficult for you who is stop. It's about difficult ka tsela ngwa hlotse ke a hlahle ke tshwere ke motsetse So guys, in short, I will never support but say chocolate box. I will never because the disadvantage could fella when but a chocolate box. We enjoy chocolate box. We enjoy but the problem advantage you could when okay la jana too much. A little affected into muzzle side kukuyano ya di bonutao and once you affect the bonutao automatically talk about so lekala wa botsa most of the gay they always cleanse but cleanser mala abona but cleanser mala abona but so ba sebedise mala ba etse so chocolate box I could all together I could that is why I can need you can already bonutao even if you can try to put your finger monto modi bonutao I also can and modimo yense purposely into you but I read well in ne kere ke fete jona ka mona poso but until I don't tell you trouble ya re banna ba le twele ba ile banneng ba ba a yang hlekisa le ntho banna ba le twele tse di kubutsa lona tse high life didn't live where was horrible. I know my worth. I saw se on me. I recommend guys. Let's go back to the topic today. Let's go back to my topic today. Guys, but one people who are going to have a serious problem in their relationships. Ke batho ba ka ramanyano le ka ra batho ba ka ra stable relationship. Abantu abafuna ukusolve a problem every time. People who like to solve problems every time. Every time when le tshwantse le have sex, kapa before fela le have sex, already se na le issues ni qopa izinto. Guys, yes. That sex ya batho ba dilana le issue Eba very, 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 very poor. Very, very poor. Eba sex ya batho ba dilana le di issue. Ia downgrade. Ha bohloko. E downgrade ka tsela e tshosang. E downgrade ka tsela e tshosang. E downgrade ka tsela e tshosang. And believe me, most ya batho ba ka ra di relationship le ka ra manyalo ba ya cheatwa. And ntho etsa hore ba cheatwe fela gore fela sex tsa bona di downgrade. Di downgrade ka tsela e tshosang. Already we have runa banna ke tsebe lona basadi, but runa banna we already have an issue. Do you know that in reaction ya runa banna ana ke le rutile ndi nifundisile lonto kare di penis tsa rona ha di react ka o tshwana. Guys, wa bona yeno whether la ka botsa monna ho kapa lo botsa boyfriend down, i reaction ya rona a e tshwane ya lona. I mean a e tshwane. Di penis tsa rona di react ka tsela e different according to different punana. Bon, ki bua nnete ntate Modimo a tsebang. Di kwai tsa rona di react ka tsela e different. Ho na le dikuku tsao di itshesa kore ho na le dikuku kore le wena self o tlore kwa ya hao mona e a hlanya kore o tlore kuku kwa yena hao ya hlanya. Ho na le yes you do guys. Reaction ya runa, it doesn't hide the same. Some of you can think your partner kapa your husband reaction ya utona hanor kile tsola jeresi utor yo munaka kapa boyfriend yaka yo kwa ya haya stay in him. Guys, reaction ya runa ya fapana it fapana we ya ka dikuku. The same way I'm sure Lilun, because kale ke kopana le batho motho ka o jwetsa hore no nna ke soka ke kuku ya ka so ba metsi so, but since ke kopana le wena kuku ya ka metsi ka tsele abnormal, I know even that one basadi ba bangata dikuku tsa bona di le tsona di react ka tsele different. Now the reaction ya rona ya differ bon ya differ ya rona bana e differa o ya ka dikuku e differa ya hona le dikuku tse etsang hore kwa ya ho utlore e eni imaso imangenya mntanam kwa ya ho utlwe iyeme. Hona le dikuku tse emisang kwa ime kore eme kore utlore kwa yena e eme. Ho bobane dikuku tse etsang hore kwa ya hao imenje e ema fela ya ema imanje, but e ka se eme the way e emang because le lona dikuku tsa lona di tshwana all together. Le heat ya dikuku tsa lona e tshwana, motjheso wa dikuku tsa lona o tshwana next au fan next le mabota a dikuku amabonda wenkuku zena afana next ba banga ke la tseba di qetile ni qibile bazalwana hayi ni qibile akere ba banga la tseba dikuku tsa lona di qetile ni ziqibile li qetile akere la tseba li qetile bana ba go gae li qetile li dihluturile ni ziwile po diwile po. One lady or wa comment the radio nka Wednesday or Dr. November ke etse jwang if monna motho a kana le kwai e nyane e kare ke teaspoon ka ra a cup ya coffee ke re no o swaka a re no motho a ka ona le e kare ke teaspoon ka ra coffee ka ra coffee mug ke re ho yana it depend ka hore that coffee mug e tlaetse di khabatse kae it depend hore e tlaetse di spoon tse kae. If coffee mug it like a big spoon, it will never enjoy the teaspoon. It will never. Skeleton. Nigga hand. Skeleton. if ke ponana ya hao ye o tlwaetse ntwe ne but tiki o buitlwaetsa ntwe if o ka itlwaetsa ntwe why automatically bo so obvious obvious there's no way unyani ekahlola ifit next if o ka itlwaetsa dintho tse so reaction ya rona ya fapana ke tlo kwala guys reaction ya rona e fapana all together o latela dikuku tsa lona ona le dikuku tse fana tse etsa gore penis ya motho e react ka tsela e very good gore le wena o feel gore haye penis ya ka lena ya mona I don't understand what's alarm now 2 ona le dikuku tse etsang gore reaction ya ibe just an reaction the same way lona I'm sure lona basadi bohoni ba lona bo a fapana maybe ha o kopana le motho mo you become so much horny but ha o kopana le motho mo o ba horny ka tsela e different but ntwe ba tla go ya makero you can imagine now let's say you are not maybe you are this one or saying maybe you are this one or yetsang gore ke ske ka ba horny too much maybe kuku ya we ordinary let's say kuku ya we ordinary because reaction what's about you tracking guys reaction ya runa guys ka runa bondata etswa ke dinama tsane tse ka ra dikuku tsa lona etswa za nyama tsinga phakathi kokuku zeni reaction ya runa etswa ke dinama tsane tseo dinama tsane la mabonda dinama tsane tse ka ra dikuku tsa lona that works then ufila dinama azanyama zingaphakathi ufila maboda reaction yawo iba more tight uba reaction yawo itia hole kwa yawo itia hole but the problem it's when ikena fela usawu 2 reaction ya rona iyetswa ke the heat and ka bomadimabe heat ya lona basadi ha e tshwane mocheso wa lona wa dikuku a o tshwane botsanna le tla jotsa ke nda turubetse ya gale mocheso wa lona ha o tshwane a di tshwane heat ya lona e tshwane nix a e tshwane hona le heat ya kuku o tlong yo this heat is too much and heat etsa gore reaction ya motho e be abnormal gore when there is lot of heat umchiso o ikekayo heat ya how automatically your reaction as a man is going to be worse kwa ya o tlo because of the heat manje aditshwane the heat tsa lona now here's the biggest problem now let's say you are not this person ya gona provoke by reaction. Let's say you're not yes, on a chesam. Hona lebu ke kopa tsong ka di ma phone. Hona le dikuku tse chesang ha bohloko ke onto. Stofo sa teng sa maka 9. Hona le tofo tse tsamang ka 6. Hona le tofo tse tsamang ka 6. Now, let's say you are this person, you stofo sa o se le normal. You are just a normal person. Then how to deal? You have dilana le issues. Kena le bo he. Kena ro khathetse. Yeah. Mathata ro a tshwere. Nka di metsa ke da ke entsa tsintso because ke kentse ena ka tsatsi. Le mone hele bu a ro khathetse guys. So the problem is that, or let's say maybe you are not even that person. Ya khonang ya na list of chisa. Number 2, let's say you are not that person. Ya khonang o yetsa a reaction ya monna e be powerful. Out the deal o bonzo a choose a monna o ulwana every time o dula o discuss the issues. Aba phone o itse o tlatla. You say you didn't do what you said to what. If you are that person, you can imagine auto affect kwa ya motho wa utswa. It affect total. Jolo we is a graveyard. Lisa di kwa itsa bana ba nona graveyard because le rata o dilana le issues. Le rata o dilana le issues, guys. Thank you. Le rata o dilana le issues. Le rata o dilana le di problem. Le rata o dilana le le rata o dilana le di issues le di problem le that is why the sex is not the tropile lo na ba nyalane le lona batho ba ka ra di stable relationship mfonele nke kwa 07 ke go bonga ntho number here 061 ngadimela qetile lona ba ka rata stable relationship le lona batho ba ka ramanyana le santse le tlo ba frustrated 061 503 4617 061 503 4617 ya batla mpotsa ke a kwa 061 503 4617 if le batla o enjoy the sex tsa lona a ke le fokotse ne o dilana le di issues o dilana le di issues le di problem fokotsa if le batla enjoy the sex tsa lona especially lona ba ka ramanyalo le ka ra di relationship ke qetile lona ba ka ramanyalo le di relationship if le batla enjoy manyalo a lona le di relationship tsa lona fokotsa ho dilana le di issues ka ramanyalo a lona tloela mo accusana every time accuser motho wa phone o itse wetsa le bolaya value ya sex ya lona le bolaya la bolaya se fapa 061 503 4617 061 503 4617 ke kwetile I'm done. Hi.
Hello.
Hello, Madali. I'm listening. Omar, why you khawa hle? Why you khawa? 061 503 4617 kya kwala 061 503 4617 but baka ramanyalo hi hello yes my daddy
Dr. November.
yes my baby
Ha monate man ke kopa ke re fela ntho e buang ya hore di private party di na le ditsebe ne ke na le mogotsi wa ka wa ntate o rich to say so to say ne and he's got a very beautiful wife and most of the time ha ke na le yena o tla batla founela di-side chick ke mmotsa because ke batla ho ithuta hore why ntate a ka cheata wa bona a ba re no nna mosadi wa ka re busy re builda le di-flat re reka le ntlo e nngwe now we are too serious ka mo ntlong ha re lwane mare we can't sleep together because the focus itse dinthong tse ngata tsa go aga lelapa too much and ha ke rate puleng ntho eo and mosadi wa ka ke dula ke mmela ke ka focus haholo dinthong ha ke hane ha re lwane mare o focus too much di-issues tsa go builda too much go feta go mpha lerato
yo
nnete ntho e buang
wa tseba batho ba bangata ba itse understandable wa bona batho ba nkang ba ratang go dilana le di-issues ba focus to life ba focus in a bona le di-relationship tsa bona and that is why ke reng and e etsala kae batho ba nyalaneng ga mmogo le batho ba ka ra di-stable relationship
o romela di-side chick di-2000 day in day out ke mmotse ke re mogotsi mare o senya tšhelete man o na le mosadi a re wena o understand ha o no understand ke ha le lwane a re we are too busy re discussa go aga di-flat tsena more than lerato la rona ke nnete ntate
thank you so much Miss Kat guys thank you jwetse thank you jwetse something else I think it's dangerous guys people today ba matsatsingana but ba decide to spend money to things tse fanang ka fun bon but ba decide to spend tšhelete dinthong tse nang le fun most about they invest money to something e nang le fun car that is why banna ba